Hey, this is Randy.
And this is Cheyenne.
SantaFeFord.com, where we have hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs for sale near Gainesville, Florida. I-75 exit 399. Right now, though, I want you to stay tuned. Cheyenne is going to give us a closer look at one of our used vehicles.
This 2017 Lincoln MKC has alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, keypad door lock, solar tinted windows, and a spoiler. For more information on this specific vehicle or to view this vehicle's Carfax, remember to visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. Now let's take a quick look at the inside. This vehicle is equipped with powered windows, locks, and mirrors. Here's a look at the dashboard. On the steering wheel there's cruise control, Bluetooth, and media functions. And this vehicle is a push to start. On the LCD touchscreen media center, there's AM/FM radio, Sirius XM satellite capabilities, along with Apple CarPlay, a backup camera with sensors, CD player, dual climate controls for both the driver and passenger side seats with heated seats, USB ports, and 12-volt plug-ins. Now let's take a quick look into the back row. Here's a look into the back row. Here in the cargo space, there are 12-volt plug-ins and storage compartments. Under the hood is an i4 2.0-liter engine. For more information on this specific vehicle, remember to visit us online at SantaFeFord.com or give us a call at the number below. My name's Cheyenne. Thanks for watching.